What is it?
What'd you get?
What
This. What
is it?
A Beauty and the Beast from the castle.
So you know it makes stars on the ceiling.
Wow.
It'll make stars on the ceiling of your room.
Put it in my room.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Dad.
You open them. It's your birthday.
Yeah.
I think she means take them out of the box.
Oh, okay.
You take it out of the box. Oh, Mom. That's in this one. I'm excited.
You gonna help at it?
Yeah. It's a Muppet movie.
Oh, a Muppet movie. All right.
A Muppet movie. I will open this one. Yeah. Oh.
Oh, headbands. Good job.
Stickers.
You're going so fast that we're going to be done in 1 second.
More stickers. There's more presents. I will open this one first, and I will open this one after. Oh. What is it? Mine? No, it's mine.
That easy?
No. It's not. Oh. Movie.
Do you have that one?
No.
You do now. What do you say?
This is me. Thank you. I will open this one now. Oh, it's a dog thing. Oh no.
What does the dog thing do?
Dancing, Alex? You like it? Is that all the presents already? Wow, look at that mess.
What is it? Mama. Bright green.
They are.
What are they?
What do they
What do
look
you
like?
think they are?
Yeah.
What do you think they are, Alex?
God.